Kucoin Token. So, Kucoin, obviously one of the biggest exchanges in crypto, and they have a hell of a large user base. Exchange tokens tend to have pretty good years in bull cycles. This has had 2 bull cycles before this one and did very well both times. So expectations pretty high for this one. Now, before I get into it, if you're new here, this spreadsheet shows the first 26 coins that I did videos about on the channel. In each of those videos, I showed myself buying up these coins. These were cryptos I thought would do very well, make a lot of money. You can see what they were all worth when I recorded my videos. You can also see the highs these coins hit around about 16 months on. And these are what your profits would have been if you'd have just put $100 into those coins. So if you had, you'd have made over 123 grand in that time. Now the thing is obviously we're in a bull cycle right now. So if your portfolio is not making you money or you don't even have one, get that sorted. If you're not sure where to start, have a look at my website, which is copymycrypto.com. If you go onto my site right now, you'll be able to see some of the profits my members have made. This is public record. If you go onto the old videos on this channel, you can verify it. You'll also be able to see some of our past successes. Again, this is public record. You can go onto the old videos on this channel and verify it. On the site, I share my entire portfolio with my members. So when I'm looking at buying or selling a crypto, I'll tell my members the crypto that I'm going to buy or sell, the price that I'm going to buy or sell at. So my members get in and out of coins at the same price as me, so they make the same profit, except they don't have any work to do. And if after reading through the site you like what you see, if after watching the videos you like what you see and you want to learn more, you want to find out, you want to hear my market updates every day, you want to find out the coins I think are going to be the big winners of this bull cycle, all you've got to do to find out, guys, is join up on the site. Now, Kucoin. So as I said, it's been through 2, although really I only had about 2-3 months of the 2017-18 cycle. Been the most recent one of 2021. You know, prior to the bull cycle really kicking off, it was under $1, and it did hit heights of $28.80. So it did very, very well in that time. It was one of the coins on my spreadsheet, I believe. There you go. Originally Kucoin shares. So the idea is that Kucoin is the native token, KCS rather, is the native token of the Kucoin exchange, which launched back in 2017. It's a profit sharing token that allows traders to draw value from the exchange. It was issued as an ERC20 and was supported by most Ethereum wallets. The total supply was set at 200 million, but similarly to how Binance are doing their thing, or BNB do their thing, there is a buyback and burn. So they're trying to do a buyback and burn until just 100 million Kucoin tokens remain. So sooner or later, as their decentralized trading solution goes live, KCS will be the native asset of their DeFi services, as well as the governance of the Kucoin community in the future. Now, to be fair, look, the reality is this is an exchange token. Yes, there are benefits. You know, if you hold it, you're going to get that profit sharing. And particularly as they make the token more deflationary, that can only be a good thing for you as a holder. I mean, they burnt another 45,000 just in February. So they're consistently sort of getting through the burn mechanisms. Now, Kucoin as an exchange, you know, it's a perfectly good exchange. They've got plenty of different features that you can participate in. You know, whether you're a trader or whether you want to participate in their sort of staking and their earn mechanisms that they've got. Of course, with every exchange, do understand that you aren't in control of your assets. They have custody of it. So if things go wrong, you're not necessarily covered. And it is worth understanding that, because of course that could, you know, anything can happen. Exchanges can be hacked, etc. Detects that your IP is from a restricted area. See, this is an annoyance as well. But yeah, 39 million global investors that use this. They do solid trading volume every day. It is one of the top exchanges. I find it odd that the volume is so low. I suppose maybe people are not particularly bothered about buying it. Maybe people are just simply happy holding it and accruing parts of the profit sharing. I suppose as well, to be fair, you don't see tons of trading volume for exchange tokens in general. So yeah, and it's not going to get delisted from Kucoin, is it? It may well from other exchanges, but it won't from Kucoin. Now, what we tend to see in every bull cycle is exchange tokens doing pretty well. We've obviously seen this with the previous 2017-18 cycle where it got to about $20, and then the most recent one where it got to $28.80 or 83. Well, it says $28.80 there. And right now it's sitting at $11. Now, I think a new all-time high is probably going to happen for this. I think, again, like with every bull cycle, we see more and more investors entering into the crypto space. They join new exchanges to trade. The coin that they're most exposed to whenever they join a new exchange is the exchange token. Yes, Bitcoin as well, I'm sure, but the exchange token is the one that they see the most often. And if they like an exchange, we do often see a lot of new investors buying into exchange tokens. And what's interesting is we tend to see them have their blow off top right at the end of a bull cycle, more so than other coins. You know, as you can see, Kucoin's kind of blow off top was right at the end of the 2018 bull cycle. It was damn near to the day at the end of the, I think technically actually it was about a month before we started seeing the drops, but usually right at the end. Kucoin is a very well established exchange now. I know they have the Kucoin chain, although I'm not overly enamored with the Kucoin chain. They're doing a couple thousand, a few thousand transactions a day, which is fine. And they have a few tokens knocking about, but I'm not overly concerned about this. I think that right now we don't really see much in terms of growth from the Kucoin chain. What would be more interested in paying attention to is the exchange. How are they doing on a daily basis? Or is their volume growing? Every day that their volume grows is a good sign, because it's more investors or more traders certainly jumping onto the exchange. Kucoin, like I said, very, very, very well established crypto exchange, probably going to be around forever unless something awful happens. Realistically, we're probably looking at Kucoin getting to a new all-time high. It doesn't even have to do a 3x. It did a 40% rise from the 2017-18 cycles high to the 2021 cycles high. So just using similar numbers, right? If it does a 40% rise from $28.80, that takes you to around about $40. And I think that's probably a very fair target. That puts it at a market cap just shy of $5 billion. But given that their trading volume is over $2 billion every single day, given that there are new people entering into crypto all the time, given that there is a pro-crypto administration in America, all these things seem to indicate that they're going to experience growth. And if the exchange experiences growth long term, the coin itself is going to experience growth. So I think it's very fair that it's a target of in and around that $40 region. I'm curious to hear what exchange people are most use. Which exchange do people find the best? Which do people find the worst? Actually comment on the best experiences you've had with exchanges, the worst experiences you've had with exchanges. Because if you've had terrible experiences with some exchanges, make it known in the comments. Make sure that they're not going to get a load more customers that they don't treat well. And guys, we're in a bull cycle right now. If you're not happy with the performance of your portfolio, have a look at my website, copymycrypto.com. On this site, like I said, I share with my members all the coins I own. Whenever I'm ready to buy or sell a crypto, I tell my members the crypto that I'm going to buy or sell and the price that I'm going to do it at. So my members get in and out of cryptos at the same price as me, meaning they make the same profit without any work. If you go onto my site, you can see some of the profits my members have made. You can see some of our past successes as well. All of that is public record. If you go through the old videos on this channel, you'll be able to verify it all. Read through the site, watch the videos, verify it all. If you like what you see, if you want to find out the cryptos I think are going to be the big winners, if you want to make the kind of profits my members have made, All you have to do that is join up on the site. And if you do, I'll see you there. Otherwise, guys, I will see you in the next video. Take it easy. Bye-bye.